Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. On the LINK chart, we have now finally seen this reaction to resistance that we have wanted to see. In our primary scenario, I wanted to see another move down in basically wave C of 4. Now, the small problem is we have an overshooting B wave, so that means we might not re-enter the orange support area. Let me explain. First of all, bigger picture also for everybody who's new on this channel. The idea is that LINK is moving in a bullish diagonal pattern to the upside. We have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside. Wave 4 is likely still unfolding, at least that's my interpretation and remains my interpretation, even though you are tempted to get bullish, in a scenario in which these resistance boxes are really nearly maxed out, even though, to be honest, LINK only reached sort of the middle of it. And then one more high in a wave 5 would still look best. And then we have a 5-wave move down and we can talk about medium-term breakout, right? Because then afterwards we should get a wave 2 pullback and a 3rd wave rally from there. Looking at this wave 4, this is likely still unfolding. At least it would be my preferred interpretation. First of all, look at the length of the wave 2. In crypto, wave 2s are often the same length as wave 4. It's not a rule, it's more a guideline. If I take roughly the length of that, let's say the box, right? Then you see this would take us into January. Possible, yeah? Because oftentimes towards the end of a year, you have a wave 4. So maybe this stretches out a little bit more. I warned you also in the beginning of this correction that it can take a while to play out. So hopefully everybody mentally prepared for that. And the idea was that, look, we completed a wave 3 here. That was in November, middle of November. It's like a move down was probably just the A wave of the wave 4. Could be all of wave 4, but that's only the alternative. For me, that's a little bit too shallow to be reliable and also too short in duration. See, if we have that sort of guideline that a wave 2 and a wave 4 are often the same length, at least in terms of duration, then that can give us some guidance going forward, right? The other aspect that I highlighted is not only that the correction can take a while, but also that the B wave can overshoot. Because if the A wave is a 3-wave move, which this was, okay, the A wave that reached here $12.88. If this is a 3-wave move, then we have to expect the B wave to be fairly strong potentially. They often are, especially in a wave 4 and especially if the A wave is a 3-wave move. Therefore, I gave you a high resistance area. And we said we do allow the B wave if it needs to go all the way up to $18.30. And so far, that was the right choice, right decision. And I did say to you yesterday, if we get a break below the trend channel, it's the first indication that this C wave to the downside has begun. And I think so what I see right now is a potential 1-2 with a 3rd to the downside, okay? And then we should still get a 4-5. That's what would look best. Still, though, expect this to morph. This currently looks impulsive on the way down. It can morph into an ending diagonal. Then it would get much more choppy. It can turn into a larger B wave. That's also possible. So, what could be is that this here is just a larger A wave, B wave, C wave, and then we have an A, B, C in B, so that the B wave just shifts over here. Then we come down, see all of this is still technically possible, cannot be predicted in a correction. What I can give you though is still the bullish support that's still down here at $9.75. In addition to that, we can now with the B wave high identify some target levels to watch on the way down. And they start at $13.53. That's the 100% extension. If there is a high B wave, sometimes the C wave doesn't end below A. That's the first level to watch. Then here $12.76, $12.31 and $11.59 are the next key levels to watch. Especially here around $12.88 and the previous swing low there should be some good support. So yeah, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.